Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this incense waterfall. As you can see, it's super stunning. So it comes with, these little incense balls or something. And you can tell, and it kind of tells you what different scents they are. Over here it says it's good for, your heart rate, blood pressure, different stuff like that. And that's what this can help with. So let's check it out. Okay. So these are the little incense pods, so to speak. Ooh, a beautiful ceramic piece. And so on the top, that's where the incense will be coming out, as well as over here, these little leaflets. Okay, so here are the instructions. Choose one of the scents that you want. The incense goes downward. So the cone is actually at the top, and then it kind of flows downward into the vessel. Very interesting. So almost like a vapor waterfall, so to speak. Incense waterfall would gently flow and cleanse the air. Which will help relieve stress. Okay, so I'm just gonna put one of these little incense things, and there's like a little hole right there, right on top of this hole right here. And then I'm assuming that I just put a flame through here to make it start. So, okay. Oh God, I think it's like this. There you go. Scents that you can use. I probably shouldn't have chosen that one. There's different scents that I'm probably gonna like, as it said on the box, but as it's starting to pour down, it's starting to look so good. And then ultimately it's supposed to look like this, right? Which it is already starting to look like that. So yeah, so it works. Unfortunately, these little things are only a one-time use, because I'm assuming after you start burning it, you can't like unburn it. So, unless, we can try. I wonder if it's like super hot. All right. Ooh, I'm scared. Because I wonder if we just take it off, if it will just like stop. Oh yeah. See, because it's trapped under there. So if you stop it, ooh, but, might as well just leave it burning. Kind of creating a cool effect anyways. So if you're interested in after the fact, during the process of learning, it might be a little stressful, but after the process, it can be really sensational in terms of, this whole thing. And it's a great thing for like, when you're like, have people coming over, for something for them to like, view and, wonder at. It's a very cool like centerpiece kind of thing.
This is a great option for gifts for the white elephant Christmas party you don't want to go to. Or gift it to your brother-in-law who likes to eat mushrooms. If you're a yogi at home, this is a great piece to add to your shrine next to your Woodstock chimes and OM bowl set in your Lululemons.
It is burning quite quickly already. It's already like, only a few minutes in and it's already down. So I don't know how long it takes for this to burn, but on the package it says like, a lot of hours, like 10 hours or something like that. So one of these can last a long time. So yeah, so that's how you use the incense burner. If you would like to purchase it, make sure to check out the link below. And for more product reviews, make sure to continue watching, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this incense burner, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.